Using the wrong size header in carpentry can totally mess up your build and even put your home at risk, so knowing what size to use is seriously important. Okay, so first off, always measure the opening and figure out the load the header needs to support, like how much weight is coming from above. If you're working on a wall that holds up a roof or second floor, that header's gotta be strong enough to carry all that weight without bending. Use lumber or engineered wood that matches the specs for your project. Don't just grab whatever's handy. When you're in doubt, go a little bigger instead of smaller, because an undersized header can sag or even crack the wall later. But also don't go crazy with a huge header, since that wastes money and might make installation harder. Make sure your header is properly supported on both ends with jack studs or posts. That's super key for stability. And if you're unsure about load calculations, chat with a pro or use online calculators for rough estimates. Lastly, double-check local building codes, because they have rules about headers for safety and inspections. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with headers is picking one that's too small, which leads to sagging and structural failure over time. Fixing this means replacing it with the right size based on load requirements. Another common issue is using the wrong material or cheap wood that can't handle the stress, so always use quality lumber or engineered beams designed for headers. The third problem is not supporting the header properly with the right studs or posts, which causes wall cracks and inspection fails. The fix here is ensuring solid framing on both sides to spread out the load evenly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to headers and framing. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors looking to get trusted jobs in their area without all the hassle.